Ria was looking forward to celebrating her 18th birthday with her parents and her younger brother. They had planned a surprise party for her at their favorite restaurant, and she was eager to see what they had in store for her. She had just finished her final exams and was ready to enjoy the summer break. She got into the car with her family, feeling happy and excited. She noticed that her father was driving a bit faster than usual, but she didn't mind. He was probably in a hurry to get to the restaurant before the guests arrived. She chatted with her mother and brother, who teased her about getting older and wiser. She laughed and hugged them, feeling loved and cherished. She didn't see the truck that ran the red light and crashed into their car. She didn't hear the screeching of tires and the smashing of metal. She didn't feel the impact that threw her out of the window and onto the pavement. She only felt a sharp pain in her head, and then everything went black. She woke up in a hospital bed, surrounded by beeping machines and white walls. She tried to move, but she felt a searing pain in her chest and legs. She looked around, hoping to see her family, but she only saw a nurse who smiled sadly at her. "Where are my parents? Where's my brother?" she asked, panic rising in her voice. The nurse took a deep breath and said, "I'm sorry, Ria." Ria felt a wave of shock and disbelief wash over her. She couldn't believe what she had heard. How could this happen? How could they be gone? How could she be alone? She started to cry, sobbing uncontrollably. She wished she could go back in time and change everything. She wished she could see them again and tell them how much she loved them. She wished she could die with them, but she couldn't. She was alive, and they were dead, and she had to live with that for the rest of her life.